Intro high-energy AI-themed animation plus upbeat background music. Studying is hard. But what if AI could make it easier? Today, I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools to supercharge your studies and get better grades, without the stress. Whether you're in high school, college, or just love learning, this is for you. Let's dive in. Visual student struggling with books, AI assistant appears. Student smiles as studying becomes easier. First up, AI note-taking and summarization. Meet ChatGPT and Notion AI, tools that generate instant summaries, highlight key points, and create flashcards. Visual AI turning a long article into a short, clear summary plus text-to-flashcard conversion. Next, AI-powered study assistants. Tools like Perplexity AI, Socratic, and ChatGPT can simplify tough topics in seconds. Visual student asking AI explain quantum physics like I'm 10. AI responds with a fun, simple explanation. For essay writing, use AI tools like Grammarly, ChatGPT, and Quillbot. Visual AI correcting grammar errors, rewording sentences, and generating an essay outline. For research, use Elicit AI and ResearchRabbit to find credible sources and generate citations. Visual AI scanning academic databases, finding trusted sources, generating a citation. Finally, AI for productivity and focus. Tools like Forest, Motion, and Pomo Focus can block distractions and keep you on track. Visual AI blocking social media, setting a 25-minute Pomodoro timer, and tracking study progress. Use these tools together and studying will become so much easier. AI is revolutionizing learning. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI tips and study hacks. Visual futuristic AI-powered study setup, subscribe button clicking and books turning into digital text.